This is an initial mug. It looks super cool. I saw this. Okay, let's move on to some books. So old school, so classic. The cool girlies are wearing the Adidas Samba. A really good quality satin skirt. Definitely check this out. A collaboration with Barbie. And it's from Celine. Hi my loves, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the last episode of my birthday series. ये वीडियो थोड़ी सी लेट जा रही है, but I wanted to sit down with you all and share with you all my birthday shopping spree. Now if you're interested in मैंने कौन कौन से perfumes लिए हैं, makeup लिया है, तो एक beauty haul separate है. Okay, actually 3 hauls है. So एक perfume haul है if you're interested in all of the new perfumes in my collection. We leave that link over here. If you're interested in like luxury makeup, उसकी link भी मैं यहाँ पे छोड़ दूँगी. And if you're interested in a Tira एडवेंट कैलेंडर जिसमें 24 आइटम्स मैंने अनबॉक्स की है, तो इफ़ यू बिन वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़ यू वुड नो कि मैंने ब्यूटी सेगमेंट में बहुत कुछ शॉप किया है. हैविंग सेड दैट, मैंने मिसलेनियस चीज़ें भी बहुत सारी ली है एंड फैशन चीज़ें भी बहुत सारी ली है. मैंने H&M ज़ारा से काफ़ी शॉपिंग की है, वो हॉल सेपरेटली आएगा. बट उसके अलावा ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट आई हैव बीन पिकिंग आउट, एक्चुअली वेस्ट साइड हॉल भी सेपरेटली आएगा. तो मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल बिकॉज बहुत ही फन हॉल्स होने वाले हैं. बट इन टुडेज वीडियो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू सिट विद यू ऑल एंड जस्ट चैट and show you all of the like bits and bobs. वो तो ना random चीज़ें you pick. I just have like a mix of everything in today's video. तो चलो without any further ado, let's get started. Okay you guys, let's start with the first thing जो of course मुझे road से start करनी है. I honestly have been waiting for this phone cover to be available in India इतने ज़्यादा टाइम से. Guilty as charged, I'm a sucker for everything that is trendy. Just something that I want to try and it just makes me happy. मुझे पता चला कि Hypefly में ये available है. मतलब one day randomly I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw Hypefly की ad which was of the road thing कि it's available in India. Immediately I just went to their website and I was like I need this in my life. में काफ़ी सारे seasonal colors आ जाते हैं, but I went with this color which is called raspberry jelly. Honestly love this color and this is how it looks like. I am obsessed with this phone cover. It actually makes me happy. It's the little things, right? So इसमें आप कोई और लिप बाम भी डाल सकते हो, ज़रूरी नहीं है रोड का ही डालना है, but they come in a duo format. If you're not living under the rock, you would know कि रोड है हेली बीबर का brand and she came out with this fun phone case and initially ये एक minty greenish sage color में आता था, but then she released few colors इसमें which are like seasonal colors. तो ये भी एक seasonal color. It's so apt for this time of the year, but I think so during the summer time also I will love it. मैंने ये पहले ribbon में actually order किया था, वो था baby pink color and I thought baby pink with this would look so nice, but that was out of stock, so then I chose this color. Honestly speaking, I love how this look. I'm kind of obsessed with this phone. As you can see, it's not very thin. यहाँ पे ये थोड़ा सा मोटा सा है, so it has like a heavy bottom and I really like it. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको एक dip सा मिल जाएगा, तो your finger just completely sits अच्छे से यहाँ पे. With the lip balm, it's not very like fidgety. It's very comfortable. अगर आपको ज़्यादा details चाहिए about this, I will definitely leave a link to that reel also over here and in the description box. तो वो check out कर लेना. But love it. इस वीडियो में ना कोई स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होने वाला. It's just gonna be like in random order. Next up, the thing that I got is actually a comb. Okay, इसमें it just has my hair, but the next thing that I got is a comb. Okay, Miniso does such good combs. This is Miniso का collaboration with Barbie. Okay, यहाँ पे Barbie लिखा है and it's in this pink color. When I saw this, I literally fell in love. I was like, this is so cute. It's in this heart shape. It's huge and I love using this on my hair. बहुत अच्छे से ये detangle आपके बालों को कर लेता है. मैं वैसे भी brush wet hair में नहीं यूज़ करती हूँ, dry hair में करती हूँ. ये scalp पे भी बहुत अच्छा feel करता है and overall बाल भी इसमें आपके उलझते नहीं है, which I really like. As you can see, हल्का सा ombre effect में है, which is just so cute. So I really like. यहाँ पे dark pink है, ये light pink में आता है. It's made up of good quality and I don't think so ये अभी available होगा, but you can go into Miniso and check it out. But I just had to get this. Another random thing that I got is actually a lint remover. Okay, हमेशा Miniso से socks लेती हूँ, तो मैं socks लेने अंदर गई थी and then I saw this comb. I was like I need this and then मुझे ये भी दिखा and I was like you know what, अभी winter में when I'm wearing blazers, coats, I need to not have loosey के हेयर ऑन माई कोट. लूसी इज माई कैट बाय द वे. मतलब मेरे क्लोथ्स में हमेशा लूसी के हेयर होते हैं. एवोकाडो प्रिंट बना हुआ था तो मैंने सोचा ले लेती हूँ. दिस इज फॉर 170 rupees, so got this also. Okay, now let's start with one of my favorite things that I've gotten. Okay, and it's from Celine. Okay, so this is how the dabba looks like. It is very bulky. Okay, काफी bulky ये है. And अंदर से ऐसे ये दिखता है. तो ये बेसिकली डस्ट क्लॉथ है एंड ये एक बुकलेट है. 2 बुकलेट आई है इसके साथ. एक बुकलेट पता नहीं कहाँ है, बट 2 बुकलेट आई थी. एंड दिस इज हाउ द बॉक्स लुक्स लाइक. इज हाउ द सनग्लास कम्स लाइक. ओके, सो दिस इज एक्चुअली द केस ऑफ द सनग्लास. अगर आप इंस्टाग्राम पे हो या पिंटरेस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा यूज करते हो, यू माइट हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रेंडी गर्ल्स वेयरिंग ये वाला बैग, लाइक ये वाला सनग्लास होल्डर एज लाइक अ बैग. ओके, एंड आई एम हियर फॉर इट. आई लाइक दैट आइडिया. आई वॉन्ट टू wear my sunglasses and इसको मैं सिर्फ अपने cards, lip gloss, keys डाल के I am good to go. So this is how it looks like. It comes in this crossbody strap. I have already started wearing these glasses and I love them. यहाँ पे हल्की सी आपको Celine की branding मिल जाएगी and it's like a flap. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I think so. अंदर ये micro suede sort of लाइनिंग. सनग्लासेस मैंने पाउच में रखे हैं. ओके, यहाँ पे भी सेलिन का लोगो है एंड द सनग्लासेस लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस. मेरी रिंग लाइट इसमें रिफ्लेक्ट करेगी, सो डोंट माइंड दैट यू गाइज. यहाँ पे आपको साइड में सेलिन का लोगो दिख जाएगा विच इज जस्ट सो स्टनिंग. ओके, एंड दिस इज हाउ दे लुक ऑन मी. थोड़ा सा लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट करके वियर लग रहा होगा. आई फील इट्स अ क्लासिक पेयर ऑफ सनग्लास. मतलब ये वाला स्टाइल इज वेरी फेमिनिन. I thought something like this I would just wear summers में a lot more and over the years also. I don't think so I'll get bored with it. I से ये कुछ इस तरह से दिखते हैं. Because black and gold का इसमें combination है. I feel it's just very trendy because छोटे glasses अब ज़्यादा in है and I think so I'm gonna be wearing them a lot during the summer months. They are extremely expensive for what they are. I have to say that. Okay, I mean these sunglasses retail for about 43-ish thousand, which is very expensive. However, a lot of brands are now selling exact pair. Okay, आपको प्रॉपर ड्यूप मिल जाता है. बस उसमें Celine नहीं लिखा है, राइट, बट प्रॉपर शेप आपको मिल जाती है. सो व्हाट आई डू इज मैं इसका लिंक तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. साथ में जो ड्यूप है उसका लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. आई टेक्निकली गॉट इट इन दिसंबर. सो मेरा ये एक्चुअली लास्ट ईयर मैंने सिर्फ एक ही पेयर ऑफ सनग्लासेस लिया है, वो है ये वाले पेयर. दिस वॉज जस्ट इन माई लाइक ड्रीम बकेट लिस्ट, तो मैंने ये ले लिया. इफ यू जस्ट वांट द वाइब, definitely try out the dupe one. Next, let's move on to clothing. थोड़ा सा break करते हैं. I just got few things from one of my favorite stores, which is Uniqlo. तो मैंने 3 चीजें Uniqlo से ली थी. सबसे पहले आ जाता है ये fleece वाला जैकेट. You guys, this I think so retails for under 3,000 rupees, 2,990 का आई थिंक सो ये है. इस पे शायद अभी डिस्काउंट चल रहा है. अगेन सबकी लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में होगी. दे हैव अ बंच ऑफ कलर्स इन इट. ओके, आई वुड ऑलवेज से कि साइज अप इन दिस बिकॉज you will be wearing this. You can wear this बाहर भी, you can wear this घर पे भी. I like to wear this घर पे because शिमला में बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड रहती है. नॉर्थ इंडिया में in general is very cold and this is all that you need. मतलब टॉप पहनो और उसके बाद ये डालो and you're sorted. Like in 1 degree, 2 degree throughout the day, you don't feel that cold in it. This is in this lovely green color. अगर आपने मेरा पिछला vlog देखा है तो उसमें ये definitely देखा होगा. Love it. Next thing is actually a PJ set and इसका top missing है. अगर मेरे पास picture हुई तो I will just pop in over here. But Uniqlo basically makes the best warm PJ sets. If you want something which is cute, which actually will keep you warm, good quality that will last you for years and actually like looks नाइस. मैंने लास्ट ईयर एक पीजे सेट लिया था, इस साल एक और ले लिया. तो फिर हर साल अगर एक अच्छा नाइस पीजे सेट ले लो तो विद द कोर्स ऑफ ईयर्स like you will have a lovely collection of PJ sets, like really good quality PJ sets that will keep you warm. तो वो collection धीरे धीरे build हो जाती है because PJ sets are not very cheap. Okay, 3,500 या 4,000 का ये था. I think 3,000 something का ये था. For a PJ set they are definitely expensive, right? Something जो आप सोने को घर में पहनोगे, but I just buy like ऐसी चीज़ें once in a year and like with the course of time because जो मेरे पास पिछले साल का यूनिक्लो का है I have washed it so many times but winters में ही आपको पहनना पड़ता है and the quality has just remained so nice so I thought of just buying another one this year. इस साल मैंने बेज कलर में लिया. ये उसका ट्राउज़र है. जो अपर है वो मैंने आज ही पहना था and वो अभी करंटली वॉश में है. But amazing, okay? Last thing that I found in Uniqlo is this gorgeous skirt, okay? It's a satiny skirt. इसमें 3 कलर्स आते हैं. एक तो ये शैम्पेनी कलर जो मैंने पहना है अभी टॉप में है ना. By the way, if you're wondering where this top is from, this top is from Zara. Zara से मैंने इतने प्यारे टॉप्स लिए इस बारी. Like I bought a lot of tops this year. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for that whole video. But अभी हम Uniqlo पे हैं तो I found this skirt. Like I was saying, इसमें 3 कलर्स आते हैं. एक तो ये प्यारा सा ब्लू कलर, ब्लैक आता है और एक ये शैम्पेनी कलर आता है. I have a champagne satin skirt. I have a black satin skirt. However, I would want a लंबा. मेरे पास थोड़ा छोटा है and I don't wear it that much. Okay, and दोनों Zara से है. And the quality is nice. But when I saw this, I was like, I need this in my life mainly because of one reason. इसमें अंदर lining आती है. Wait, let me show you. So this is how the skirt looks like. I will pop in a video of me styling this skirt. मैंने actually ये travel day पे पहना था. तो I was traveling from Chandigarh to Delhi. It was a long day, so I wanted to wear something comfortable. So I just slipped into this skirt and I was so comfortable throughout the day. ये तीनों items जो मैंने ली है वो तीनों ही XL में लिए है. My tummy is quite visible, so I wanted something जो flattering लगे on the tummy, ना कि tummy पे tight लगे. Okay, so I sized up in this. तो मैंने ये XL में लिया है. It's just like an elasticated waist. There is no tie detailing over here. अगर ये बैंड थोड़ा सा चंकी होता है, I feel वो इतना अच्छा नहीं दिखता, but it's very thin. The way the skirt falls is just very pretty. I like the skirts better than the Zara ones. Okay, Zara की जो satin skirts है, mainly because it comes with a matching inner. When you wear this underneath, okay, it just gives you such a nice polished expensive look to your satin skirt. Satin as a fabric is not very like forgiving, right? When you wear something like this inside, say there is just a layer between your skin and satin, so the fabric sits very nicely on your body, which I absolutely love. Okay, ये skirt आपकी knee length से नीचे जाती है and side में slit भी दिया है, so it's not like you'll be uncomfortable under your satin skirt. Okay, इस skirt का price I think so around 3,000 rupees था, which is standard for Uniqlo. But oh my god, you guys, if you are looking for a really good quality satin skirt, definitely check this out. Let's move on to a fun purchase that I was just like randomly मैं चंडीगढ़ में थी and चंडीगढ़ में निकोबार अब है. Okay, so I popped into Nicobar. Many years ago I did a mystery box challenge with one of my subscribers and उसने mystery box में एक निकोबार का mug भेजा था. Okay, I used it for a year. You know, I loved that mug and I think so वो किसी से तो घर में टूट गया था. उसके बाद से I've been meaning to buy it. इसका प्राइस है 750 रुपीज. दिस इज इनिशियल मग. इसमें V इधर लिखा है एंड व इधर लिखा है. इसके अंदर इन्होंने थोड़ी चीज़ें लिखी है विच आई वॉन्ट टू स्पेसिफाई. सबसे पहले मेड इन इंडिया. ओके, दिस इज हैंडमेड पॉटरी. ये लेड फ्री है, माइक्रोवेव सेफ है एंड डिश वॉशर सेफ भी है. आई एम अ sucker for anything that has my initial in it. I think so this is such a great gift also to give. Okay, my battery died. I had some tea. Now I'm back. Next, let's move on to a purchase जो इधर पीछे है. It's from Apple. If you follow me over on Instagram, which is just official Vishaka Thakur, you already know what is in here. I got AirPod Max. That is what it's called, I think. AirPods Max. Okay, so I got the AirPods Max. I am through and through in the Apple ecosystem, whether it's their iPod, laptop, watch, speakers, phone, और क्या होता है, कंप्यूटर नहीं है बस अब. Okay, desktop. But like AirPods, I'm in the ecosystem. Okay, all of the wellness girlies, they just look so cool in it. Okay, this is the latest one. So AirPod Max 2 second generation, whatever it is called, it is that one. Okay, the only difference between the original one जो पहले आया था and ये वाला आया है is just the charging का like wire वो different किया है इन्होंने. That's about it. Otherwise there is no change. As much as I want this to be my aesthetic, I also know this is very hard to maintain. तो मेरा पहले ये था कि black ले लेती हूँ. Okay, and black उनके पास newer उसमें नहीं था, पुराने उसमें था. But they had this in the newer one. I thought about it for I want to say a few days and then eventually gave in and bought the white color. Okay, so this is how it looks like. यहाँ पे आपको ये mesh सा मिल जाता है, which just makes it super comfortable. Like it comes in this case thingy bit, and once you take it out, This is how they look like. यहाँ पे अंदर इन्होंने लिखा हुआ है right left, so you know कौन से ईयर में कौन सा जाएगा. They just come off like that very easily. They're selling this separately also. So अगर ये बहुत गंदे हो जाए in the future, I can definitely buy a new one. But I can take this off and wash it. I've seen people wash it. ये भी पूरा disconnect हो जाता है and you can just clean this also. So I think so I'm gonna do that. ज़्यादा कुछ fancy नहीं है. It just is such a seamless process. Like मैंने इसको लगाया है and it's already connected to my phone. I just feel the user experience of this is fab. Let's be very honest, it looks super cool. That is one reason why I got it. I'm not somebody जो 24/7 headphones लगा के रखता है, but for my hot girl walks and for the gym, I will be using this, right? So love it. Retails for about 60,000. इसमें Apple के store में ही थी and I saw this. Okay, this is basically a portable charger जो चिपक जाता है ऐसे phone के पीछे. This was very expensive for what it is. Spending so much on this makes sense, but on this for me does not make sense. I don't know. This is some sort of girl math. Okay, so this retails for 6,000 rupees. They had a silver color, so मैंने सोचा कि silver ले लेते हैं, and I've been really liking it. Okay, it has that same MagSafe. क्या बोलते हैं इस technology को? However, ये phone के पीछे लग जाता है. इसमें तो नहीं लगेगा. Like अगर cover हो, but I like to take out the cover and then charge it. And a seamless approach इसकी है. Phone is on charging. Literally 8% battery है. But it's just a seamless process. ये ऐसे on हो जाता है. यहाँ पे you can see भी बटन है, निकाल के बंद कर सकते हो. The fun facts about me is मेरी phone की बैटरी हमेशा low रहती है. That is the reason I'm invested in this, because I'm always on my phone. I'm literally always on my phone. I think so out of everything that I'm showing today, this was the most needed purchase. You guys, let's move on to some books that I got. इस साल तो मैंने मतलब ठान लिया है कि I'm gonna read a lot of books. I'm just gonna be that girl. In my 30s, I'm trying to reinvent myself, and reading is one thing that I am definitely getting back to. Let's start with the first thing that I'm so proud of, that I'm doing every single day. It's a journal. This is basically a brand which is Kaushal ka brand, and she's a YouTuber, as we all know. Okay, I love her. I've always loved her. She just has such a bright, positive vibe, right? So it made sense when she came out with something like this, and I didn't know that it is available in India, but I was in the bookstore and I saw this. I was like, I need this. I've spoken about this in my vlogs also, so I will not bore you, but 2 reasons why I like it and I would recommend it to you all also. सबसे पहले, it's not dated. This is how it comes. Like यहाँ पे कोई date नहीं है, so you can actually use it. Like अगर आपका 1-2 दिन skip भी हो गया है, it's fine. Okay, and आपको limited space मिलती है. मुझे इससे ज़्यादा planner नहीं चाहिए एक दिन में, to be very honest. So for me, something like this works perfectly, and I like how small it is comparatively to all of the journals. Now this is a 6-month journal. This is not a 1-year journal. मतलब अगर आप रोज लिखोगे तो 6 महीने चलेगा ये. Highly recommend. इसमें मैंने बहुत time spend कर लिया, but would highly recommend. Okay, now let me show you the 4 books that I got. The first book that I got is actually Kaushal's husband, second book. Okay, this is Things No One Taught You About Love. You just appreciate the packaging. The packaging is luxe. Like if I have to come out with something, it would probably be along these lines, and that will be very true to my aesthetic also. Okay, so this is in this lovely gold font में ये है, and it's in this lovely like muted pink sort of a color, pinky nudie sort of a color. And इसका प्राइस था 499. आपको ये क्रॉसवर्ड भी मिल जाएगा. मैंने ये सारी चीज़ें क्रॉसवर्ड से ली है. So this book basically harness the power of self-love to attract and sustain healthy relationships. One of my passions is literally self-help things. Okay, whether it's podcast, whether it's book, how can I broaden my mindset? How can I grow as an individual? मतलब I am always looking at that. So got this book. Then the second book that I got is this. This is Do Epic Shit. This is by Ankur Varigo, and this retails for 450 rupees. The third one that I got is actually a very old book. This is the 4 Agreement. This is supposed to be like a wisdom book. The price was 399 rupees. I will just read quickly what the book is about. So this basically reveals the source of self-limiting beliefs that rob us from joy and create needless suffering based on ancient wisdom. The 4 Agreement offers a powerful code of conduct that can rapidly transform our lives to a new experience of freedom, true happiness, and love. So I wanted to read this. This is more of a classic book. Last book that I got is this one over here. This is from one of my favorite like fitness humans that I love. Okay, this is by Luke Coutinho, and this is actually small wins every day. If you want a holistic approach towards health, you need to follow this guy. Okay, I follow him over on Instagram. I've subscribed to his YouTube channel, and like just by following him, like I love how his approach towards health is just not like, okay, food, exercise. He also speaks about gratitude. He also speaks about love. He also speaks about compassion. He talks about circadian rhythm. He talks about, eating locally. Please, if you are also on a, health journey, you want to learn more, you need to follow this guy. The only reason I got this book is because I wanted to support. Now let's move on to the last brand, which is Adidas. I got 3 things from them. The first thing that I got from them is actually this t-shirt. मैंने उसे स्नीकर्स लिए थे, बट दे हैड सम ऑफर गोइंग ऑन, तो ये मुझे आई थिंक सो सिर्फ 1500 700 पता नहीं कुछ इतने की पड़ी थी, 1100 में भी. ये है 2499 की टी शर्ट. आई गॉट दिस इन द साइज मीडियम एंड आई लव दिस कलर. दिस इज सच a different color. Okay, I think so I'm gonna style this पहले बाहर के लिए, like if I'm going out somewhere with a skirt or something like that, and then I will eventually जब ये थोड़ी सी खराब होने लग जाएगी, I will move this t-shirt to the gym category. But it's a proper 100% cotton वाला t-shirt. I'm a die-hard fan of these 3 stripes. I think so they are just so old school, so classic. Speaking of this, I got another 3 stripy classic hoodie sort of a thing from Adidas, but it is more like a dress. थोड़ा सा अगर warm होने लग जाए ना, not too warm, I think so I will just love to wear this. This will look so cute, especially now I feel black with my new hair looks very, very nice. So I'm very excited to be actually wearing this. And the last thing that I got from Adidas are their classic shoe, which is super popular. I wanted to get my hands on them for the longest time, and इसमें ना sizes actually मिलना I didn't know बहुत difficult है, but I got my size. I got this in a size 40. मैंने 39 भी try किया था, पर मुझे वो थोड़ा सा tight लग रहा था. This is how this sneaker looks like. I have not worn them out अभी तक. Okay, I've styled them for a reel, but I've not worn them out, and I can't wait to wear them super soon. This is how this sneaker looks like. Okay, clearly मैंने इसको पहना नहीं है अभी तक. All of the cool girlies are wearing the Adidas Sambas. Okay, and with time I think so, as much as I love my heels, but with time I've gotten more into like the practical shoe. So this is something that I will be wearing a lot. इसमें you guys बहुत सारे colors आते हैं, but I got the classic black and white because it just goes with everything, and I want to get the most use out of it because इनका price था 11,000 रुपए. So it has this suede thingy at the front. Simple white shoe है with the stripes, and I can't wait to wear them out. I wanted these shoes for such a long time that जब मैंने ये लिया उसके बाद अभी 1 महीने तक I was just looking and staring at them, but I think so now in the month of Feb I can finally take them out and start wearing them actually. That you guys, we've come to the end of this video. This was definitely one of many hauls that came or will be coming your way. If you love haul videos, vlogs, or just like recommendation videos, you're at the right place. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you back for more videos. On that note, I'm gonna go for now. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.